Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Rythflo WH03 true wireless earbuds. Before we get started, just want to let you know Rythflo did send these out to me to try out, so big shout out to them for doing that. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs. And more importantly, we're going to see how they fit in sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. We've got Rythflo branding up top. Got a picture of the earbuds front and center. Again, these are the WH03. So these are true wireless earbuds. We've got a neck piece on there so you can have them just hanging on your neck. And on the back here, we've got some features and specs. So these ones have a built-in mic. We've got hi-fi audio. It says fast charging, but it doesn't tell us how fast. We've got IPX7 waterproof, a 10-meter working range. Say it's lightweight, and it has 150 hours of playtime. That remains to be seen. It's pretty high up there. We'll see. We've got some information on the manufacturer. We've got an email for support, and we've got their address on here. So yeah, let's open these up. All right, so we've got a user manual, got some extra earbuds, got a yellow set. Let me open them up so we can see. So we've got a set of yellow, small, medium, and large. So yeah, it looks like we've got small, medium, and large. We've only got 2 pairs here, so medium probably installed already. And we also have a set in blue. So we've got red, yellow, and blue. So that's pretty cool. Very generous. We've got a bunch of ear tips that you can use and try out and make sure that the ones that you have installed fit you correctly. It's always nice. Let's take a look at the oh, here we go. Almost missed this. Got a USB-C, very nice, to USB-A charging cable. That is nice to see. Normally you'll see like a micro USB on something like this, but to see USB-C is really cool. All right, so we've got some Rythflo branding on the side here. I'm not sure if it's Rythflo or Rythflo. Could be Rythflo, like rhythm. So we've got some left and right branding. Very nice. And this part here is a hard plastic. And then we've got soft, like rubber material here. All right, so here is the earbuds, guys. Pretty basic. They're magnetized. I guess that's for like when you store them away, you can keep them together like this. No left or right branding on the earpiece that I can see. But you do have your left and right branding on the part that goes over your neck. Here we've got your little control unit that has like your power button, your volume rocker. So that's cool. Let's turn this on and see if we have power. All right, here it said power on. All right, pairing, it's flashing red and blue. All right, let's connect it to my iPhone. So make sure you got Bluetooth on your phone. And there it goes, it sees it. RYWH03. Hit connect, and we are connected. So let's put these on and let's see how they fit. I don't mind having the neck piece because there's times when you just don't want them in your ear and you can just leave them on like this. Unlike if you had wireless earbuds, take them out of your ear, you got to find your case and put them away. And then when you want to wear them again or use them again, you got to redo it. Not a big deal, but sometimes you just want to have them on the ready. I'll take off these tabs later, but let's see how they fit real quick. All right, guys, they fit pretty good. One thing to note, these wires are going to be slapping you in the face. That kind of bothers me. But I guess that is the nature of this style of earbuds. So let's put some music on. Wow. All right, guys. Oh, these are pretty good. These are sounding nice. I've got them at probably like 25% volume, and they are loud, guys. The vocals are nice and clear. It's got plenty of bass. They sound good, guys. These are nice. I wish there was a way for me to let you guys hear this, because they sound really good, man. Yo, these are surprising me. And they are loud, guys. They sound good. They've got plenty of bass. Vocals are clear. The earbuds, they fit nice in my ear. That's how they look. The biggest issue right now is these cables slapping you across the face. But yo, these sound good, guys. I'm liking these. These are impressive. Not just because they sent these out to me. They sound good, guys. They actually sound good. And I will be using these definitely when I'm out and about. Again, these are IPX7 waterproof, water resistant. So if you get caught out in the rain, no problems. Take these to the gym, you can sweat, no problem. You won't have any issues. So right now, these are going for right around 40 bucks, which I think is a decent price for these. What can I say? There's nothing that sticks out. They're just your earbuds, but they sound great. They sound good. And I think for right around 40 bucks, it's a solid pickup. It's a solid pickup. I like how they sound. I wish there was a way for me to let you guys hear these, because they sound really good. And you can use one in ear. All right, let's try the controls real quick. So let's adjust the volume. I'm gonna turn it down. Oops. All right, let me turn them down. There you go. You can see the slider moving. Turn it back up. And right here with them at, I don't know, is that like 25%? They are loud. If you got both in ear, they're loud, guys. And they sound really good. Let's try the play and pause button. There you go, pause. And go play. See if there's a way to skip tracks. So if you use the volume rocker, if you hit plus, hold plus down, it'll skip to the next track. Hold the minus button and you'll go back to the beginning of the song, and hold it again to go back a track. All right, guys. So these impressed me. My final thoughts. For right around 40 bucks, I think it's a, oops, my bad. It's a solid pickup for right around 40 bucks. I mean, my biggest issue so far is the wires slapping you across the face, but sound quality and build quality, these feel pretty tough. All right, guys, so if you guys are interested in the headphones or you want to just check them out, I'll put a link in the description. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm John at TEMU. I'll see you in the next one.